Hi everybody, welcome to our STEM project for the week. Today we are going to be making Play-Doh. Looking into STEM projects, I found that a lot of them use Play-Doh or clay to use during the STEM projects. So I don't have any Play-Doh at home, so something I decided to do was to just make my own. So that's what we're going to try this week. What do we need? We need flour, we need hot water, which I will get. We need cream of tartar. There are different recipes of this too, you guys. I will post the one that I use. But if you don't have all the ingredients that I have, that's okay. There's other recipes you can try out too. Or if you have Play-Doh at home, you can just use that and maybe try to do a STEM project with that this week and let me know what you do with it. So, flour, water, cream of tartar, salt, and vegetable oil. When you're doing liquid ingredients is to get at eye level. So you want to get at eye level to see if you have enough. Water is done. It is very hot. It was boiling, bubbling up. So I'm going to be very, very careful when I pour it. All right, while that is cooling, I'm going to clean up. All right, guys, so I've let it cool. You're folding it and push. Use the palms of your hands for this part. Fold, push, fold, push. And with Play-Doh, you don't have to be too particular, but if you're doing bread or some other type of pastry, that's a really cool technique to know. So it's pretty soothing to move it back and forth between my hands. Great stress reliever to have. This is something that you can utilize when you're taking breaks and you just need a little relaxation or time between doing work. Feel free to pull out your Play-Doh and move it around between your hands, pull it apart, build something with it. Food dye can get pretty messy, so just know that you'll probably get your hands dirty if you're gonna try putting food coloring in it. Or if you have gloves, you can wear those and that will be kind of helpful too. I'm just gonna give it a go with my bare hands, and if they get some food coloring on it, that's okay. It's not gonna hurt them. One thing they did suggest is to kind of put a divot or a hole, use your finger, a spot to put the food coloring, and then I'll fold it in that spot. like Shrek. Here is our colored Play-Doh. Another thing that they said you could do if you have it, you can add glitter to it. I know some people love glitter and some people are not fans of glitter, so if you want to, feel free to add it. If not, not a biggie. Store them in a Ziploc bag, nice and closed, and in your fridge. They said that homemade Play-Doh will last for up to about a month, so it's not going to last forever like normal Play-Doh does. Just because of what it's made out of, it will expire, so you're going to have to throw it away. That's okay, you can always make more.